Hello students and welcome to English class Math Vision Agaraj Girls School. Today we will start with the revision part of your unit test syllabus. So basically we will go on with the grammar part today. Grammar में आपको क्या prepare करना है? Let me tell you first. आपका syllabus क्या है grammar part का? You have to learn the formation of sentences, the rules of forming sentences in simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, simple past tense and past continuous tense. हम सिर्फ यहीं तक करेंगे, okay? And we learn the rules of forming sentences. अब sentences कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं जिसके हम रूल्स डिस्कस कर चुके हैं? Affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. So let's begin with simple present tense. हम simple present tense के रूल्स देखते हैं पहले. Affirmative sentence. Affirmative का क्या रूल है? Subject plus first form of verb plus s or es if required plus object. Now why am I saying if required? I'll clarify this once we are done with all the four kinds of rules. Okay? So negative कैसे बनता है? Subject plus do not or does not plus first form of verb plus object. Okay? Now, how to form an interrogative sentence in simple present tense? हम सबसे पहले लगाते हैं do or does plus subject plus first form of verb plus object question mark. Okay, so interrogative sentence means question, right? So do or does plus subject plus first form of verb plus object, this is the rule of forming an interrogative sentence in simple present tense. Now there are two ways of forming negative interrogative sentence. The first one is do or does plus subject plus not plus first form of verb plus object. So negative interrogative basically means negative question. Okay? So first way ये होता है and the second one is by writing the short form of do not or does not. Do not का short form क्या होता है? Don't. Does not का doesn't. Okay? Plus subject plus first form of verb plus object question mark. Okay? So these are the rules of forming sentences in simple present tense. Now the question arises, where to use s and es and where not to use s or es. Okay? So basically we have three persons: first person, second person and third person. Okay? So first person subjects are I or we, second person subjects are you, and you can refer to a singular person or a group of people. ठीक है? प्लूरल के लिए भी यूज हो सकता है, सिंगुलर के लिए भी यूज हो सकता है, राइट? सो सेकंड पर्सन क्या होता है? you. थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर he, she, it or one name, and plural they or names. Okay, more than one name of a person or a thing. Okay, so basically SES हम कहाँ लगाते हैं और कहाँ नहीं लगाते हैं? With first person subjects we do not add s or es to the verb in affirmative sentence of simple present tense. अच्छा, एक चीज और ध्यान रखनी है, s and es सिर्फ और सिर्फ affirmative sentence में लगता है, वो भी only simple present tense के. Okay, we use s and es nowhere else, और कहीं भी नहीं लगता है s, right? So first person के साथ s es नहीं लगता है, second person subject के साथ भी नहीं लगता है, third person plural subject के साथ भी we do not add s or es to the verb. We add s or es to the verb only if the subject is third person singular. अगर subject third person singular है subject plus is or am or are plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Right? Now, if we have to convert an affirmative sentence into negative, इसी सेंटेंस को अगर नेगेटिव बनाना है मतलब हमें नॉट लगाना है, राइट? सो हम नॉट कहाँ पे लगाएंगे? आफ्टर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब. यहाँ पे हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या है? इज, एम और आर, राइट? सो इसके बाद हम नॉट लगा देंगे तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. सो द रूल बिकम्स सब्जेक्ट प्लस इज और एम or are plus not plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Now next comes the rule of forming an interrogative sentence in present continuous tense. Interrogative sentence कैसे बनता है? इसको स्टार्टिंग में ले जाएंगे is and are को, helping verb को. So it becomes is, am or are plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Question mark. Okay? And again there are two ways of forming sentences in negative interrogative form. दो rules होते हैं. The first one is, am or are plus subject plus not plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Question mark. Okay? And the second way is forming the short form of is not, am not, are not. Okay? So it becomes isn't or ain't. Here plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Question mark. Right? So these are the rules of forming sentences in present continuous tense. Now we have present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. So affirmative, again negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. What are the rules of forming sentences in present perfect tense? So affirmative we have subject plus has or have plus third form of verb plus object. Full stop. Okay? जब भी perfect tense होता है, I'm not talking about perfect continuous. जब भी perfect tense होता है, be it present perfect or past perfect or future perfect, we always use third form of verb. Be it an affirmative sentence or a negative sentence, चाहे वो interrogative है, negative interrogative है, हम हमेशा third form of verb use करेंगे, right? So now negative कैसे बनेगा? हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैज और हैव, उसके बाद हम क्या लगाएंगे? नॉट. सो सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज और हैव प्लस नॉट प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके? एंड इंट्रोगेटिव कैसे बनता है? हेल्पिंग वर्ब को स्टार्टिंग में ले आते हैं. व्हाट इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब हियर? हैज और हैव. सो हैज or have plus subject plus third form of verb plus object. Question mark. And negative interrogative, there are again two ways. The first one is has or have plus subject plus not plus third form of verb plus object. Question mark. And the second way is writing the short form of has not or have not. So short form क्या होता है? Hasn't or these are the rules of forming sentences in present perfect tense. Now comes present perfect continuous tense. Okay, present perfect continuous tense. Again we have affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative sentences. Affirmative का क्या रूल होता है? Subject plus has or have plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. Okay, so now where to use since and where to use for. Since कहाँ use करना है, for कहाँ use करना है. I told you in the previous lectures also कि since हम तब use करते हैं वही से तब से अब तक. For example, since 1996 मतलब 1996 से लेके अब तक. Okay, and for is used for a particular duration, for 2 years, for 3 hours, for 10 days. Okay, now the rule of forming a negative sentence in present perfect continuous tense. It is subject plus has have के बाद हम not लगाएंगे. Okay, so subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. This is how we form a negative sentence in present perfect continuous tense. Now we have interrogative. अब हम has have को starting में ले जाएंगे and rest of the sentence will remain the same. So it's has or have plus subject plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. Question mark. This is how we form an interrogative sentence. Let's now talk about negative interrogative sentence. There are again two ways. First is has or have plus subject plus not plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object plus हम क्या लगाएंगे since or for plus time, right? And the second way is to write the short form hasn't or haven't plus subject plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. Question mark. So these are the rules of forming sentences in present perfect continuous tense. So this was all about present tense. Now we will discuss how to form sentences in past tense. Now let's talk about past tense. So बिकॉज डिड के साथ हम कौन सी फॉर्म लगाएंगे, फर्स्ट फॉर्म. ओके, नाउ नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव, अगेन देयर आर टू वेज. द फर्स्ट वन इज डिड plus subject plus not plus first form of verb plus object. Question mark. Okay, and the second way is writing the short form of did not. Didn't, D-I-D-N'-T, didn't plus subject plus first form of verb plus object. So these are two ways of forming negative interrogative sentence in simple past tense. Now, the next and the last one is past continuous tense. Affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative. So affirmative, acha, just tell me what is the rule of forming a sentence in present continuous tense, affirmative form. Affirmative sentence को present continuous tense में हमने कैसे form किया था? Just think of it. Just try to recall. Okay. Subject plus is-am-are plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. So is-am-are का past form क्या होता है? Was और were. तो हम यहाँ क्या लगाएंगे, subject plus was और were because it is past continuous tense. Okay, subject plus was were plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Now negative कैसे बनेगा, helping verb क्या है यहाँ पे, was और were, तो उसके बाद हम क्या लगाएंगे, not लगाएंगे. So subject plus was or were plus not plus first form of verb plus ing plus object, right? Interrogative, was were को starting में लेंगे and rest of the sentence will remain the same. So it becomes was or were plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Question mark. And negative interrogative, again there are two ways of forming the sentence. First is was or were plus subject plus not plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Question mark. And the second way is wasn't or weren't plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Question mark. So these were the different forms of verbs using which we can form sentences in all the kinds of sentences that we have learned. Okay, तो हमने क्या पढ़ा, हमने ये पढ़ा that present tense में all four kinds of tenses और past में ये two kinds of tenses में हम sentence formation कैसे करते हैं in affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative forms. So for the unit test you just have to learn the rules. We will learn how to form sentences, how to do error finding in the next lectures. Okay, so just prepare and these rules should be on your tips. Okay, so thank you so much everybody. This was all about the class. In the next lecture